Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK class. We'll study about environment today, in which we are going to talk about the different branches of science, learning objectives. After the completion of this topic, the students will be able to identify different branches of science. Today, the subject of study is different branches of science. You all know that scientists learn about their subject by observing, describing, and experimenting. There are many subjects and branches of science. Some study outer space like astronomy, other sciences study life like biology or the earth, geology, or even matter and energy physics. The world around us is fascinating and we can learn many fun facts about it. Let's study them today. First one is gentology. What is gentology, bache? The scientific study of old age, the process of aging, and the particular problems of old age. Right? In other words, ये स्टडी है उस प्रोसेस की by which we get old, how our body changes, and the problems that old people have. The second one is astronomy. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the scientific study of sun, moon, stars, etc. In other words, it is that branch of physics that studies celestial bodies and the universe as a whole. Third one is entomology. But entomology क्या होती है? Entomology is the scientific study of insects and their relationship to humans, the environment and other organisms. ये बेसिकली इंसेक्ट्स की स्टडी होती है, उनकी लाइफ स्पैन पे स्टडी होती है, उनके हैबिटेट पे स्टडी होती है. Fourth one is hydrology. Hydrology is the scientific study of movement, distribution and management of water on Earth and other planets. It includes the water cycle, water resources. Fifth one is biology. Biology is the study of all life or living matter, the living organism of a particular region, the structure, function and behavior of an organism or type of organism. Sixth one is anthropology. Anthropology is the scientific study of humans, human behavior and societies in the past and present. In other words, it is the science of humanity which studies human being in aspects ranging from biology and evolutionary history of Homo sapiens to today's human being. Seventh one is cardiology. Cardiology is the study of heart and its action and diseases. In other words, it is the branch of medicine that deals with diseases and abnormalities of the heart. Eighth one is geology. Geology is the science which deals with the physical structure and substance of the earth, their history and the processes which act on them. In other words, it is the scientific study of the origin, history, structure and composition of earth. Ninth one is meteorology. Meteorology is the branch of atmospheric science concerned with the processes and phenomena of the atmosphere, especially as a means of forecasting the weather. बच्चे ये स्टडी ये एटमॉस्फेरिक साइंस के साथ कंसर्न है जो कि हमें वेदर में चेंजेस और वेदर की प्रिडिक्शंस के बारे में बताते हैं. 10th one is zoology. What is zoology? बच्चे zoology is the study of animal kingdom, discovering how animals live, This include how animals interact with each other as well as the growth, health and lifespan of animals. जो स्टडी हम एनिमल रिलेटेड करते हैं उसे जियोलॉजी कहते हैं. Do you know, kids? The science which deals with the study of different kinds of poisons is known as toxicology. With this, our topic of different branches of science completed. At the end of the topic, I want to give you a task. You have to find out what is bacteriology. You have to find out what is bacteriology. I'm repeating, define bacteriology. Thank you and have a cheerful day.